Have you ever wondered how to make money from Swagbucks? Well, let's dive right into it. Swagbucks is a well-known online platform that enables users to earn money by completing a variety of tasks. Picture a digital marketplace where your time, opinions, and online activities like shopping or web searches are traded for rewards. It's like turning your everyday online actions into a source of income. And it's not just about money. Swagbucks also offers gift cards from top brands, making it an attractive choice for many. With millions of active users worldwide, Swagbucks has established itself as a reliable platform that pays. From taking surveys to watching videos, playing games to using their search engine, the opportunities to earn are plentiful. In essence, it's about getting paid for the things you do online anyway. So, if you've been looking for a way to make some extra cash, Swagbucks might be the answer. So, how do you get started with Swagbucks? The first step is creating an account. Now you might think that creating an account would be a complex process, but it's actually quite simple. All you need is an email address and a password. That's it. No need for lengthy forms or complicated sign-up procedures. First, head over to the Swagbucks website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to pick a password that's strong and unique to keep your account safe. Once you've filled in your details, hit the Register button. You're almost done. The last step is to confirm your email. Swagbucks will send you an email with a confirmation link. Click on that link, and voila! Your account is set up and ready to go. And just like that, you are one step closer to earning with Swagbucks. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is like a bustling city center, full of avenues leading to different earning opportunities. It's divided into several sections, each offering a unique way to earn Swagbucks or SBs, the platform's virtual currency. First up, we have the Surveys section. As the name suggests, it's all about sharing your opinions through surveys. You'll find a variety of them, ranging from quick 5-minute feedback forms to detailed half-hour questionnaires. Each survey comes with a specific SB reward, and the longer the survey, the higher the reward. Next, there's the Discover section. This is your gateway to the world of online exploration. Here, you can earn SBs by testing new products, signing up for free trials, or even reading articles. It's a fun way to learn and earn at the same time. Moving on, we have the Watch section. It's like your mini home theater that pays you. In this section, you get rewarded for watching videos. These can be anything from cooking tutorials to movie trailers. Just sit back, enjoy, and let the SBs roll in. Then we have the Shop section. It's like your personal shopping assistant that rewards you for making purchases. Whether it's buying a new pair of sneakers or ordering dinner online, you can earn SBs on every dollar you spend. Plus, there are often deals and cashback offers to help you save more. Lastly, there's the To-Do list. It's a daily checklist of tasks that can earn you bonus SBs. From answering the daily poll to completing a survey, each task brings you one step closer to your earning goals. In essence, the dashboard is your personal command center. It's a bustling hub of opportunities where you can earn SBs by doing what you love, whether it's watching videos, shopping, or simply sharing your opinion. Remember, every SB earned is a step closer to your reward. The dashboard is your command center guiding you towards earning opportunities. One of the main ways to earn on Swagbucks is through surveys. Now, you might be wondering, how does that work? Well, it's pretty simple. You see, companies are always on the hunt for consumer opinions to help shape their products and services. And that's where you come in. By taking surveys on Swagbucks, you're providing these companies with invaluable data, and in return, you're rewarded with Swagbucks, or SB for short, the platform's virtual currency. Each survey can range from a quick 2-minute questionnaire to more comprehensive 20-minute studies, and the amount of SB you earn will correlate with the length and complexity of the survey. So let's talk numbers. How much can you make? Well, it varies. A shorter survey might earn you anywhere from 5 to 50 SB, while a longer, more in-depth one could net you up to 200 SB. To put it in perspective, 100 SB is roughly equivalent to $1. Now, you might be thinking, that doesn't sound like a lot. And you're right, if you're only taking 1 or 2 surveys a day. But here's the secret to maximizing your earnings: consistency and volume. The more surveys you complete, the more SB you accumulate. It's that simple, and with new surveys being added daily, there's always an opportunity to earn. Also, keep an eye out for special surveys or offers. Swagbucks occasionally runs promotions where you can earn bonus SB for completing certain surveys. These can be a great way to boost your earnings. One last tip, always be honest in your responses. Companies value accurate data, and Swagbucks has mechanisms in place to detect inconsistent answers. So stick to the truth and you'll have no problems. To sum it up, taking surveys on Swagbucks is a straightforward process. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but with some dedication and a bit of spare time, it's a viable way to earn some extra cash. Surveys are a simple yet effective way to start earning on Swagbucks. Surveys aren't the only way to earn on Swagbucks. There are many other opportunities. Let's explore some of these exciting avenues, shall we? First up, we have Watch. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn just by watching videos on Swagbucks. These videos range from entertainment and health to politics and current events. While the earning potential varies, you can typically earn up to 60 Swagbucks per hour. Now that's what I call entertainment with benefits. Next we have Shop. This is perfect for those of you who love online shopping. Swagbucks partners with several popular online stores. Every time you shop through Swagbucks, you earn points or Swagbucks. Just imagine, earning while spending. It's like having your cake and eating it too. The amount of Swagbucks you earn depends on the specific deal with the retailer, but it can be up to 20% of your purchase price. Then, there's Discover. This involves completing various offers such as signing up for trials, testing out apps, or even booking your next vacation. The number of Swagbucks you can earn from these tasks varies greatly, but some offers reward you with thousands of Swagbucks. However, remember to read the terms and conditions of each offer carefully. Last but not least, we have Search. Just use Swagbucks as your default search engine and earn points for your regular internet searches. It's as easy as it sounds. The amount you earn varies, but think of it as a nice little bonus for something you do anyway. In addition, there are daily goals and bonus games that can boost your earnings even further. The more active you are, the more you earn. It's really as simple as that. With so many ways to earn, Swagbucks provides a wide range of money-making opportunities. So why wait? Start exploring these tasks today and watch your earnings grow. You've been working hard and earning points. Now, how do you get your hands on your cash? Here's the deal. Once you've racked up a certain amount of Swagbucks points, you can exchange them for a variety of rewards. This is where the fruits of your labor really start to show. Fancy some retail therapy? You can redeem your points for gift cards from popular stores like Amazon, Walmart, or Starbucks. Maybe you're a bookworm? Then a Barnes & Noble gift card could be just the ticket. But let's not forget about cold, hard cash. If you prefer, you can transfer your Swagbucks points directly into your PayPal account. This option does require a minimum threshold of points, so you'll need to check the details on the Swagbucks site. The redemption process is simple and straightforward. Just head over to the Redeem SB section on your dashboard, choose your reward, and follow the prompts. Redeeming your hard-earned points is the final step in your Swagbucks journey. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money on Swagbucks. We've journeyed together through the ins and outs of this platform, starting with setting up an account. Remember, it's as simple as providing some basic information and verifying your email. Then we ventured into the labyrinth that is the dashboard. But fear not, we've decoded its complexity. From the main page to the different task sections, it's all about knowing where to click. We also dove into the heart of the matter, making money. Surveys are the bread and butter here, but don't forget about the other tasks. They might just be the cheese to your bread, providing extra earnings. And lastly, we covered the sweet moment of redemption. Those hard-earned points can be exchanged for cash or gift cards. It's all about choosing what suits you best. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to earning money with Swagbucks. Happy earning!